Okay, I'm back. Day 2, Sunday, April 9th, Hill of Many Voices. Gonna get back up there, get in the hole for a little bit, and then see what I can find from where I left off yesterday, and we'll go from there. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, folks, we got the first one. We're getting down to a clay layer, but good relics. Still another common. So, can't waste much time here. Gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm up here on the Hill of Many Voices. That was sticking out, slid out. I kind of tugged on it. Nice lid. Had to turn the flashlight on for that, dude. That'll go great on one of my jars. Awesome, awesome. Yes. All right, we'll get back to you. Okay, been digging for about 45 minutes, working the dirt. Moving quite a bit of dirt here. Pretty cool. Finding nothing but commons, which are all right there. All those are gonna stay, except for that awesome mason jar lid. But I found an awesome bottle I wanted to show you. And it says W. Edwards and Son, ROCHE'S, Embrocation For the whooping cough. Awesome. Just freaking awesome. I love it. This is living the dream in my books. I love finding amazing relics. I'm going to keep going for a little while, and I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm getting into some more glass. Just pulled out this awesome huge button. I'm not gonna rub it off here on camera because they're so delicate, so I'm gonna take it home and do a little work on it. I'm getting back to it. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Here is my dirt pile. My dig is over for the day. Broken Crocs, which are always awesome. Too bad I can't find them whole. Awesome broken ashtray. Panning around the hole. I moved quite a bit of dirt back in there today and all around. But here's my final totals. Mostly commons. I'm not going to be taking any of them home, but I will be taking this awesome lid home. Mason jar lid. Some type of cough medicine. Beautiful whooping cough bottle. So that's my final totals. I'm going to go hit some creeks to look for some Indian arrowheads. So I appreciate everybody watching, viewing, subscribing. And stay tuned for another great episode coming up in the near future. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Signing off, your friend, Legendary Creek Hunter. I hope you are living the dream.